9:10 the next morning, third day of Lila, and she now has hiccups, which shake her entire body. She's got a little formula on her right shoulder, which is indicative of how vigorously she was eating her 20 milliliters of Infamil. It was very good. If she could tell you that, she would. I'm pretty positive. And Christy, you remember these hiccups from before, right?
Yes. She would hiccup all the time when I was pregnant. And now we get to see what it really looks like.
She doesn't seem to mind.
Mm-mm.
Hey, Lila, I'm sure the people at home are loving eating up this hiccup action. But we're going to say bye for a little bit. Hey to the camera, Lila. Yay! Oh. Droopy head.